All personnel, clear the launch bay. Star Cruiser 36, prepare for launch. Crystallic fusion modules needed on pad 14.
Hello.
I'm just cleaning the floor and stuff.
Clean is good.
Oh, just what
Lock
I
the
thought.
way. All personnel may return to the launch bay.
Wow! An Andromeda-class Star Cruiser!
Ambassador Escort Patrol is scheduled for launch at 0900.
What?
This is just too cool!
You there! The launch bay is for authorized personnel only.
I was just, oh, man.
Just like I figured. Guess what, pal? You're through.
He's not through till I say so.
Captain Lightyear.
Buzz!
Ah, space dust. This place is filthy, and it goes right to the subatomic level. That's why this young man is in here with his molecular mop. Carry on, custodian.
Oh, yes, sir!
My mistake, sir.
As you were, Corporal. Come on, Booster, this is the third time this week. You know you're really not authorized to be in here, son.
Oh, I know. But I like to look at the Star Cruisers. I just want to be a Space Ranger so bad, Buzz.
Now, don't you worry. You'll pass the entrance exam. Booster, you've just got to study
Space Ranger mission manual? Oh, I am, sir. I memorize one page every night. I'm up to Section 5, subsection Beta. Light speed limits. More than just a good idea, it's the law.
Outstanding.
Yo, thanks, Buzz.
Buzz Lightyear to Science Bay.
On my way. Gotta run, Booster.
Yes, sir.
Booster,
Yes, sir.
at ease.
Thanks, Buzz.